guys, in today's video I will be unboxing my December Heroes Tower box. Oh guys, you know this is one of my favorites. If you're curious to see what I got in this box, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazar's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have one of my favorite subscription boxes, and that one is the Heroes Tower. Now, this is a geeky subscription service that you can find on Cratejoy, and I do realize this one is not for everybody, and most people don't get as excited as I do about stickers and buttons and things like that, but I love this kind of stuff because it is so great to craft with, and you guys will see me crafting with this next year. I have a lot of boxes that I have from this company that I've built up, and I really need to start crafting with this stuff so that I can show you what you can do with these kinds of things should you decide to get a subscription box like this. So without further ado, let's see what they put in this time. Okay guys, so here's my box. Oh, I'm so excited to open this one. And guys, I always try to pre-open stuff for you, and I kind of ripped this one up. I don't know what I did to it. Whatever. Let's just see what's inside. That's what you're here for. So let's see if oh, here we go. That's what I did. I opened it up the wrong way. So this right here is the insert that they have right now, but they redid the inserts for this box. So this will look different in the future. I did see the new inserts, but they just made a photocopy for this month because they have the new insert that they have ready to go for the next box. So, but they do tell you that they are on Instagram as well as on Patreon. You can support them on both of those websites as well. So the box came from Cratejoy. That's what I'm trying to spit out. Sorry guys. The box itself comes from Cratejoy, so I have everything linked below if you're interested in getting your own Heroes Tower box. Okay, so when I open it up, it looks like this. They have everything tissue wrapped really nicely in here, and normally they do have an item list, but he did email me and let me know that they did forget to put the item list in my box this month, which is totally fine. Let's hope I know what this stuff is, and if I don't, I will definitely pop it up on the screen to let you guys know what it is once I figure it out, because I can always email him after I unbox it, but I like to do these unboxings live so you can see what I got and see my reaction as I'm unboxing it. Okay, so let's pop it open. Alrighty doody. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So they have it bubble wrapped really nice in here so that you don't get anything damaged in transit. So I'm going to pop open the bubble wrap here so that we can see what's inside. Ooh, here we go. So cute. We'll go ahead and start with this. Oh, this is so cute. And I just want to show you that they have it in its own little baggie. So very well packaged as well. Love it. So we have a little Batman keychain. How cute is this? What are these things called? Like the pop whatevers? I don't know. Let me get him still here. Super cute so that you guys can see what he looks like. And I'm actually going to flip him to the back so you guys can see his little cape. How cute is that? That is so cute. So this is a great item. I knew it was Batman. We're off to a great start, guys. I knew the first thing. Okay, let's see what else they put in this box for me this time. So we have, ooh, it's Donatello. Yay! He's my favorite Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. Looks like this is just, oh, it's a nice wood piece. Oh, you know what they did? Oh, this is so cute. So this is a handmade item. That's another thing I forgot to mention. With this box, you get 3 handmade items in your box every single month, which is near and dear to my heart. I absolutely love it. So they painted the Ninja Turtle onto one of those people peg things that you can buy. So cute. I love this idea. I wouldn't think to do that. And I love the little smirk. You guys see the little smirk on his face? Oh, that is so cute. And here's the back of it. This is so cute, guys. I love it. So this will go great with my little geeky display. Like I can just sit it on a shelf. I love that idea. This is so cute. What a great idea. Okay, and then this looks to be, to me, it looks to be Thundercats. Oh, love it. Oh, and that's a Thor postcard. I think this is the Thundercats logo. I am pretty sure that's what that is. Look at that. Yeah! So obviously this is one of those koozies, the cup koozies that you can put for your hot drinks or your cold drinks, whatever you feel like doing. Anyways, it goes around your cup to help with like if it's too hot to hold, that kind of thing. Super awesome. So here's the company that makes these. I want to zoom in on their little thing in case you're interested in checking out their Etsy store, if I can get my act together here. So here you go. There's a company that makes these little masterpieces. This takes a lot of time to make, guys. I appreciate craftsmanship like this because this is not a skill that I have developed very well. Like I do knit, but I don't knit this good. That makes sense. Okay, great. All right, and we got a Thor postcard. So this is another thing that they do. Look at this. I love it. Yes. This is another thing that they do. They put in a postcard in every box, and they also include the stamp with the postcard so that you can send a geeky hello to somebody in your life. I love this idea. I think it is super great. I have sent out one of the postcards so far, and then I have other ones that I'm debating whether or not I'm going to send them out because I might frame them and keep them. I love them that much. I'm just saying. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the next thing. So this says Marvel and it has a question mark. So we don't know what it is, guys. Not until I open it anyways. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh, they give you ideas on the back of what they could be. So I can figure it out if I don't know. It's going to happen, guys. I'm not going to lie. Oh, this looks like Iron Man. I'm not sure, though. I could be wrong. No, it's Spider-Man Iron-On Spider. Oh, so he's red, though. Spider-Man's not red. That's what threw me off to make me think that he was Iron Man. Oh, it's Iron Spider. Okay, it's called Iron Spider. So there's that. I was thinking Iron Man because these are the colors for Iron Man, so I wasn't way off base. But Iron Man doesn't have like a little mask like this and stuff, and this is in his getup. So, I mean, you know, it's cute, though. I like it. I'll put it with all my other geeky stuff. It's totally fine. Love it. Okay, so it looks like we have another magnet. And I got this one in my, here you go. Here's where it is. It's a Lion-O magnet. I did already get this exact magnet for my Patreon thank you. I get a Patreon thank you card each month, and I actually forgot to put one in this month too, which is totally fine. You know, it's a busy time of year. I totally get it, and I'm totally fine with that. But I did already get this one, so I might pass this one along to one of my nieces or nephews because I did already get one. So that's in there. And then we have some Teenage, oh, stop it, they're tattoos. Oh, how fun. So we have some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle metallic tattoos. How fun is that, guys? Oh, I love this. So cool. So guys, I do like to craft with tattoos, temporary tattoos. I like to put them on my shoes, on my clothes, and things like that. And there are ways that you can do that and make it so that they permanently stay there. I have a pair of Steeler shoes where I put the Steeler temporary tattoos on there, and I've had them for years, have no issues with them whatsoever. Here's some of the tattoos that they included in this little package, which is awesome. Yes, these are so great to craft with, guys. I love crafting with temporary tattoos. And you know what? The reason why I did the NFL ones that I just told you guys about is because NFL stuff's super expensive. So to get temporary tattoos and make yourself a pair of shoes, you just saved a ton of money. I'm just saying. These are great, guys. Wow, these are going to be great on some projects. I can't wait to get started. Oh, yes. This is great. Yes, 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 yes. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, and then we have the comics. So we have the Batman, which is Arkham City. Okay, here you go. Here's the Batman comic. Love it. So guys, I do put my comics on display, but honestly, I might start, like, look at some of the pictures and stuff in here. I might start crafting with them. I'm just going to say, so you comic book lovers, don't hate on me. I'm just saying. So here is a Wonder Woman. Awesome. And look at that. Guys, tell me if I didn't cut this off and put it in a frame. That would be an awesome decoration. I'm just saying. So they probably have other stuff like that in here. Yeah, so I'm digging the cover. Wow. I mean, I could just frame the whole comic book, but we'll see. So then we have a Harley Quinn. Here's that comic book. Okay, that's cool. And Spider-Man. What? Okay, and sorry. Okay, and then we have the Spider-Man comic book. Super awesome, guys. I love this subscription. They always send super fun stuff in here every single time I get it. And I've gotten some really super cool things that I could never, what's the word I'm looking for? Think to make myself, I guess you can say. So I love the customization that they do for these boxes. It is always one of my favorite boxes that I get every single month, and it never disappoints. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell, because I wouldn't want you to miss any of the super fun stuff I have coming up very soon. I have a lot of things that I'm going to be working on, and I wouldn't want you guys to miss any of that stuff. So that's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Okay, guys, so here's my... Hold on. Okay, guys, so... Worked better the other way. Okay, guys, so... Here's my... Did that work? I mean, I feel like it did, but this is just weird. Okay, hold on. Okay, guys, so...